Kalispera and welcome back to Samos Virtual. It's been 11 days since our last update, so it's time to go down to the harbor and see what it looks like right now. Today is a very windy day, as you can see from the flags that are still up here at the Metamorphosis Church from the Easter celebrations. Down in the harbor we can see that quite a lot of bars and restaurants have opened for the season since Easter. At this time of the day there are not a lot of people around, but we heard it was a lot busier in the afternoon because of Mother's Day today. The front part of the harbor over here is not completely accessible yet because of the reconstruction works. And this is what the other side of the harbor looks like now. If all goes well, the whole pavement should be ready by the end of May. That means the other bars and restaurants at this side of the harbor can also open by the time the first charter flights are planned to come to Samos again. And of course that will also make it easier to visit these places at Ramataiki at the end of the harbor. We hope you are all getting ready to come back to Samos again, just like Pythagorio is getting ready to welcome visitors back to the island.